Hello everyone. I am here to get my friend's message to me. Kuno hi. Kung unsa po nila ang message para sa ako ba? Now, let's start with
Mariby sa una.
Mariby. Hey Mariby. Kindly off because I want to be serious. Kay mo na ako muhilak.
Muna ko
Message ni mo. Hala, muhilak jud ko. Dili giday mo seryoso sa ako ano. My God, kamura ra ba akong friend? Sige, nalang ko ni mo.
Kami na lang duha.
Okay. Face to the left, face to the right, and face in front. Joke. Okay. Kita. Muhilak sa ako kayo. Dili condition na. Okay, God.
Hi guys, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Dili pa karon kamu ha.
We wish you all the happiness in life. Good luck. Good luck.
Kanina, wait, diri na ko ma-measure kung unsa ko kabugaton sa inyong heart. Char. Okay. Dili basta-basta gi ko ni kinasing-kasing. Char.
Thank you for all the things have been said.
Can you tell me those uncommon words? Okay, thank you, good luck, healthful life, happiness in life, successful in career. Common kayo. Can you make it I love you? Koda ko na siya. Common. Can you tell me those words that, not common?
Change your attitude because we don't like you.
Okay,
That's
I
the
accept
end of
that. Tagadsa. No, I don't want to be end. I don't want this end. Why man? Unsa man akong attitude?
You ask her.
Pero ako.
Because she don't want to hear words those are common. So you say uncommon.
Ana na lang kanang about sa ko akong sa akong inyo change na ako. Ana na lang. Ali ra gud mo diri ki
No, the one thing that I want you to
birthday solution. Sige, dili gat dali. Gat Maribe, ali diri. Murag na intriga ko sa imong giingon. Kana akong ginahan. Sige na. Lain na kayo. Oy,
how you come up with problems.
why man?
Basta you it's different yun.
Nga naman
Like,
ay ko
like improve na ka. Saan mo
Nga naman ay ko mag-cope up sa akong problems.
man, na kay problema dahil uli mo ang problema.
Sa friend.
Built on your problem so much that causes your nervous breakdown and panic.
Hello? Di pa ko buang. Hello.
Neurosis, hypochondriasis, delirium.
Delirium. How about you, Gat? Because I want to improve my life. That is why I want to, lahi naman dyan ng na ikaw mismo lahi naman yun ng usay may istorya sa uban about me. So this time, I don't, since kamo man akong mga close, kunuhay na
I
friends.
don't like you to get ng palit lang ka o walk out.
Yes! Excuse me, kanusan ako ito gibuhat? Kanusan ako ito gibuhat?
In front of the million people watching over me, and then you left out.
Gat drama ka, kanusan ako naghimo? Hello, ikaw ka. Niko nimo. Okay, liar ka. Liar ka. Ikaw na lang, Gat. I like you, Gat. Sige. Okay.
Without knowing the root of the problem, the etiology of the problem.
Okay, can you prove it to me?
And then,
Ikaw, Gat.
All I want to say to you is
just there.
thank you for being a nice friend to us.
Again, it's common.
Thank you for teaching me how to showing me my emotions.
God, seryoso biya ko.
I have a birthday presentation.
Sige, birthday presentation na lang. Mura ginahan ko na.
Okay, let's do that. Music, please.
Kani, mga unggoy gikan sa kahoy. So, nagalipay ko sa kong last day na. sure. Pwede daring? Kanang daring? Oh my God! Maribe! Unsa man na! Kristen, ikaw! Showdown! With chair! Pwede kanang malipay pud ko ba? Pakalipaya ra gud ko ninyo. Wa ko nalipay sa inyo buhat taos ba? Oh my God, is this my friend? If inani akong mga friend, unsa pud ko? Dangerous! My God! Pwede ka ng daring? Daring ba? Daring ba? Hello? Pwede ka ng daring? Daring God, please! Katok! Bad girl, Jude. Bad girl. It's dangerous. Kaya na ko, God. Yeah, hi.